to diya sa United States.
Ihayang ako, amigo, from New York.
Saan kayo masaya? Diyan kayo. Diyan.
From New York, amigo from New York.
New York.
RG.
Amigo, hi amigo sa New York.
Bakit di magawang limutin ka?
I love you too.
Bawat sandali ika'y naaalala. Dami kong dasal, sanay ka pa magkapiling bakit di ka malis sa isip ko? Ikaw ang lagi laman ng puso ko. Kahit pilitin ko damdamin magbago, ikaw pa rin ang hinahanap ko. Hanggang ikaw pa rin ang hinihiling ko. Ikaw pa rin ang natatanging pangarap ko. Ikaw naman hanggang ngayon. Ikaw lang ang tunay na minamahal. Ikaw ang hinintay ko matagal. Ikaw ang ligaya, buhay at pag-asa. Ikaw lang, wala nang iba. Kaya't hanggang ngayon, ikaw pa rin ang hinihiling ko. Ikaw pa rin ang natatanging pangarap ko. Ikaw naman hanggang ngayon. Dapat ba na ating pagbigyan ang ating mga pupuso'y muli pa buksan at ibibigay lahat ang pag-ibig na tapat sa'yo. Ikaw pa rin ang hinihiling ko. Ikaw pa rin ang natatanging pangarap ko. Hindi ko na kaya. Ikaw naman.
Alright.
I found someone who lets me off my feet. Found one that makes me feel complete. I said it over coffee.
Right.
I said it with his friends. It's funny how from simple things the best things begin. It's not it's all because of you. It's better than it's ever been, 'cause we can talk it through. My favorite line. has just begun. I finally found someone. Ooh, someone. I finally found someone. Just to know you are mine. You know it's fine. What you wear isn't it too tight? But your exception, I can't wait for the rest of my life. This is it. I finally found someone to share my life. I finally found the one to be with every night. 'Cause whatever I do, it just got to be you. Oh, my life has just begun. I finally found someone. 'Cause whatever I do, it just got to be you. Ooh, my life has just begun. I finally found someone.
Alright.
Salamat sa kumawin. Pagmatigil ko sa kapal ko nga chinilas.
Hanggang sa uli.
Ako na kung sili kang punto ni Kakugat.